Ever wondered how to create professional-looking video storyboards effortlessly? Meet Sora, your ultimate AI-powered video generation tool. Today, I'll show you how to craft a three-scene video storyboard step by step, even if you're a beginner. Let's dive in. Sora is an innovative AI tool by OpenAI that transforms simple text into visually stunning videos. Whether you're a marketer, educator, or content creator, this tool makes video creation easy, fast, and fun. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to create a three-scene storyboard and bring your ideas to life. First things first, head over to Sora's website and sign up for an account. Once you're in, you'll see subscription options: GPT Pro, Plan, for larger projects with up to 10,000 credits and 500 videos, Plus Plan, perfect for beginners with 1,000 credits and 50 videos in 480p resolution. Choose what fits your needs, complete the setup, and you're ready to start creating. Now comes the exciting part: crafting your prompt. For this guide, we'll use a simple example: a cozy morning at a cafe called Cozy Cafe in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Customers are browsing local artisan products. To refine this, use ChatGPT to generate variations or additional scene details. Keep your prompts concise and descriptive for the best results. With Sora, each prompt turns into a scene. Here's how to structure a basic three-scene storyboard. Scene 1: a sunny exterior of the cafe with greenery. Scene 2: the cafe interior showcasing vibrant decor and shelves of artisan products. Scene 3: close-up of a steaming coffee cup with the cafe's branding. Sora automatically translates this text into visuals. You can preview and adjust each scene description for better accuracy. Select your video's resolution and aspect ratio. Then start the rendering process. Pro tip: be patient. It might take a few minutes. If rendering slows down, try clearing your cache or using a different browser. Once the rendering is complete, you'll see your scenes come to life. Sora provides options to regenerate text descriptions for tweaks, but doesn't yet support manual edits. And there you have it, a three-scene video storyboard, created effortlessly with Sora. Ready to explore its full potential? Sign up today and start creating stunning videos from your imagination. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tips, and share your first Sora creations in the comments below.